If you want to set up a free gift with purchase promotion on your Shopify store so that when someone buys a product from you, you can add a free gift automatically into your cart, then this tutorial is the one you've been looking for. You see, the way Shopify discounts are set up now, if you set up a buy X get Y promotion, the customer still needs to manually add the free gift into their cart. And most of the times they forget, which leads to a customer service nightmare, or you lose the sale completely. So in this Shopify tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. Step by step, a walkthrough directly in my store. I'm going to show you how to set up the discount correctly in Shopify, and then how to set up the product automatically going into the cart without the customer having to do anything. And it's going to be so easy to do, you wish you had done it sooner. Let's get started. I'll show you how the promotion works in a live store, and then we'll show you exactly how to set it up. So this is my store here. Let's buy some coffee and we'll trigger the free gift. Now, when we add something into the cart, this slide out bar appears. And you can see at the top, we've created this motivator. And this motivator encourages increased spend. And in our world, we want people to spend a little bit more to get the free gift. So here we've got your $45 away from a free jigger. So we're gonna add a few more products in to hit that criteria of the free product. I'm going to add another bottle. Okay, see what happens here. Okay, $15, we'll do that one again. And we are now meeting the criteria for the free jigger. And we can see that's automatically added into the cart. The customer just presses checkout and they are good to go. See how simple that is? So let's now jump into the back end of Shopify and get this set up. So we click discounts in our Shopify store. Then on the top right, we're going to click create discount. Now the type of discount that we need to set up here is a buy X get Y discount. Now I've already created one and I'll take you through how that's set up here. First thing is we're going to put the title in here. Make sure this title is clear and accurate. It's what the customer is going to see when they add something into the cart and the promotion applies. Then we're going to choose the conditions that the customer needs to meet to get the free product, right? So in our world, they have to meet a certain spend threshold. In your world, it might just be they need to buy something. It might be they need to buy a quantity of items or purchase amount of those items, okay? So for me, we're going to do they need to spend over $75 on specific collections or specific products in order to be eligible for the free gift, right? So if you were to doing it a different way, you could say they need to buy at least one item in all collections, and that would add a free gift to all items if you're doing a free gift with everything type promo. So think about the conditions that are in here. So I'll stick to this one, $75. And then in here, we choose whether they need to buy certain products to get the free thing or they need to buy products from certain collections. Now, because I'm applying this to my entire store and the entire order, I'm doing collections. And then effectively what I'm doing here is I'm just selecting all my collections in here, and that applies it to every single product. But you can be super specific here if you need to. Now, you may have this purchase type, you may not. Because my store has subscriptions, I do. So we can either have this only apply to one-time purchases, only apply to subscriptions, or in our world, we want it to apply to both, okay? All right, let's go down and talk about what the free gift looks like. So here we're going to add in what the gift is. So we want them to get one of a certain product. In our world, it was this jigger. So we can go in here and we can choose the product that we want. So you look for the one that we want to add. In our world, it's the jigger. We can see I've already got it selected and we click done. So now this is saying anyone that reaches over 75 gets this free jigger. And then here that we decide, do they get it for free? Do they get it as a discount? Do they get it as amount off? Now, if we want to add it for free, we're going to choose free here. If we don't want to add it for free and maybe we want to do it at 50% off, we would do it here. If we wanted amount off each, we would do it here. In this one, we're going to do free. Now, the other thing we need to think about is how many times can this promotion be used per order? Because it is a free gift, we don't want them to get, multiple gifts in one order. I set this to one, okay? We can choose the eligibility. Does this go to everybody? Does it go to certain segments? Does it go to certain customers, okay? Now, if it's a site-wide promotion, we want to keep it open to every single customer. If you're doing it as a specific VIP deal, then you wouldn't do that. All right, and then the last part here is does this combine with other promotions? So does it combine with any discounts you might have on products? Does it combine with any order discounts? Now, I typically make sure I have order discounts definitely put on there, because if someone has a discount code for their order, you want to put it in here. Now, it's up to you whether you want to have it on product discounts. That is, if you've got a discount on a product, do you still want this to apply at the same time? So this is called promotion stacking. Okay. Now, if we were to just do that by itself, the promotion would still work. The thing is, the customer would have to add this jigger to the cart to get it for free. And unless we have messaging about that, they're not going to know that, right? So this is where we want to make sure we have it adding to the cart automatically for them. Now, there is no native way out of Shopify to do that without coding or doing some custom things to the theme. So I'm using an app to add it automatically into the cart, and this app does lots of things outside of just adding it to the cart. It does the shipping motivator, it does all the upsells and stuff like that. So it's a great app that you should try. The app is called Upcart. I'll put a link down to it in my description for you to install. But let me take you through how it works. Once you're in there, there is a section called the cart editor. And inside the cart editor, I want you to look for tiered rewards. This is the part where it's going to automatically add into the cart when it meets the conditions that you've set. So if we follow it through, we're just going to copy everything that we said in the Shopify discount. So it's either going to be a cart total or it's going to be an item count. In my world, it's cart total. Yours, it might be item count. If you're doing a site-wide one, you would do item count is 1. So anything that adds into the cart gets this free thing, okay? Then we're gonna set up the reward tiers. Now, you don't need to have multiple tiers. You can have 1, you can have 5. It's up to you how you wanna reward people. We wanna motivate them to spend more with you in this promotion. You may not necessarily have that, right? So we have the tiers here. I've got one that I've also set up, which is a $100 tier, but the one we're testing right now is the $75 tier. So we can see that the reward type is product. In this app, you can do other things, but we'll do product for this one. You then give it a description. So we can see that description matches this over here. And then here, we set the minimum amount that we set in the Shopify discount. So it needs to match there, right? And then here we just choose the product that we want, right? So we'd go in here and we'd select the product that we want. Now that product has to be the same one that we have set up in the Shopify discount promotion. Once that is done, we click save, we go ahead and test, and we are good to go, okay? That's it, it's all set up. So to recap, we need to determine the discount that you want to offer. We need to set up the discount in Shopify discounts, and then we need to go into Upcart and we need to add the reward tier in Upcart so it automatically adds it into cart. If you found this useful, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. I do tutorials like this all the time and you never know when one is gonna help you out. Alternatively, here is a really good video that you're gonna wanna watch if you wanna grow your Shopify store.